What operation did we use yesterday? Subtracting, right? So we subtracted. Now today, okay, today we're going to learn to solve equations by adding any constant values to isolate the variable. There's that key word, isolate. And what does that mean again?
To make separate or go by.
Perfect. Right, to make separate, to keep, to isolate it. Okay? What we're going to do is Fridays are going to be our quizzes, okay? Which is going to be interactive with our phones. And Mondays, okay, we're going to start doing Kahoot with vocabulary. So Mondays and Fridays we'll use our phones, okay? For a little bit. Those will be our bell ringers, basically, for Monday and Friday. All right? So let's go through like what we did yesterday, okay? So let's think about this. 5 minus some number equals 3.
Minus
2, right? 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Okay? Don't worry about the calculators. This is just all I'll do it right now. 12 minus some number. Come on in. These were my partners last year. Okay? This is Miss Molina. She's a counselor. Okay? You're on camera, by the way. Okay? That's why I pulled you in here. Okay. 12 minus some number equals 6. Right, 6. Okay? And then number 3. 17 minus some number equals 12. 5. Okay? All right. Now, the reason why I made it easy is I want you to get in the habit of thinking of the unknown. Because that's what Algebra 1 is the unknown. Okay? Now, let's get to the practice of what we're going to be doing today. Some number minus 4 is equal to 3. What do we do? Okay, it is 7, but what do we do?
Subtract. No, add 4.
Right. You're going to take this minus 4. Now, do we just do it once or do we do it to both sides?
Both sides.
Right. Remember, what you do on one side, you have to do on the other. That's just algebra. Okay? So, negative 4 plus 4 is 0. What is 3 plus 4? 7. Right? Okay, good. All right, next one. Some number minus 11 equals 64. 75, I heard 75, I heard 53. What do we do with this minus 11? Okay, hold on. One step at a time. What do we do with this minus 11? We add it. So we're going to take this minus 11 and we're going to add. Okay? Now, this cancels. We have 0. 64 plus 11 is? 75. Good. All right? See, it's very similar to what we were doing yesterday, right? The only difference is yesterday we were subtracting, today we're adding. And it all depends on the sign of this number right here. All right, number 6. Some number, an unknown, minus 22 equals 75. And how did you get that?
We add.
Perfect. You add 22. Awesome. You guys are on point today. Okay? 75 plus 22 is going to be 97. All right? Any questions? All right, so let's answer this question. What operation did you use to determine the unknown value? Yeah, addition, right? You could put add or you could put addition. Doesn't matter. Same concept. Okay? Same concept. Now, if you follow this to the T, this whole year, you're going to be good. Okay? Of course, things are going to be difficult, all right, when we get to graphing and all that stuff. But Algebra 1 is this right here. Of course, tomorrow and Friday, we're going to be doing division and multiplication, okay, when solving. But this is it right here, okay? All right, let's move on. Last part. Okay, so now we see variables, okay? Z minus 9 equals 15. Okay? What do we do? Z minus 9 equals 15.
Add
Add what?
9.
Yep. So we're going to add 9 to both sides. Our 9's cancel. We're left with z equals, and what's 15 plus 9? 24. Now, real quick, okay, I know you guys, you like to finish as quick as possible, okay, but how do we check to make sure we are right?
Subtract.
What do you mean subtract?
Okay. Subtract 24 minus 15 and give you 9.
Okay, that's one way to do it.
Or 9 and they'll give you 15.
Okay, you could also, and that's correct, you could also put this back into the equation, which you are subtracting, like you said. 24 minus 9 is 15. Okay, or 24 minus 15 is 9 as well. Okay, so as long as you go back and take that 10 to 15 seconds to check your answer, you get it on your calculator, you're golden, right? Okay, all right, number 8. Okay, so we're going to add 22 to both sides. Okay? So now, our minus 22 and our plus 22 cancels. So what do we have on the left-hand side?
We have the 2.
Okay, yes, G. G equals, and then what's negative 32 plus 22?
Negative 10.
Negative 10. Man, you guys are on it today. All right? Last one. Add 24, is that correct?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, we need to move that. So we're going to add 24. That cancels. X is equal to negative 8. Okay? All right, any questions on what we just did? Okay? Exact same thing as yesterday, but instead of subtracting, we are adding on both sides. Okay? Now, let's do our word problems. Okay? Let's do our word problems. Remember, key word in here, or key phrase, a number. And when we see that, what do we know? X or some variable, correct. So, X, and then what? What's the next word?
Minus.
Okay, minus 15.
Equals 32.
Yeah, that is an equal, and then what is it? 32. All right, good. All right, one step, what do we do? Add what?
15.
Add 15. Okay, that cancels. The 15's cancel, so we have X equals 47. Okay. Now, on one of the exams, what I will probably do for just one of the, our first one, is I will have you show your work as far as, well, let's prove it. Let's put it back in here. 47 minus 15, you'll punch it in your calculator and make sure that it comes out to 32. Okay? Because that's a good habit. You're going to need to do that when you take the STAR exam in May. Okay, last one. Number 11. What variable are we going to use?
J.
G or J? Okay, J. So J minus 18
equals negative 21.
negative 21. Okay? Just a single step. That's all we're doing. What do we do with this minus 18? We add it. Okay, our negative 18 and positive 18 cancel. So we're left with this J equals what? Negative 3. Okay. All right, there you go.